Bitcoin price prediction amid Cathie Wood's ARK seeking premier position in Bitcoin ETF race. At the time of writing, the price of Bitcoin is $30,442, down less than 0.50% from the previous day. All eyes are on the possible influence on Bitcoin's price trajectory as Cathie Wood's ARK Investment Management positions itself to take the lead in the Bitcoin ETF race. This update examines the likely effects of ARK's bold entry in the cryptocurrency ETF market as well as the price projection for Bitcoin in the context of these developing market dynamics. Reports imply leading the pack in the race for a Bitcoin ETF is Cathie Wood's ARK. Prior to BlackRock's proposal, ARK Invest and 21 Shares filed the first Bitcoin ETF application, which is presently the most likely to be approved by the SEC. BlackRock, a financial behemoth, submitted a proposal for a spot Bitcoin ETF in the middle of June, which significantly increased market confidence. Contrary to widespread belief, several executives and industry professionals claim that BlackRock might not have been the first to introduce a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. Eric Balchunas, senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg, summed up the need for a spot Bitcoin ETF in his tweet, "What does BlackRock know?" The ETF store's co-founder Nate Geraci made a similar statement in a tweet on June 26. Several market observers have taken notice of BlackRock's timing in submitting the spot Bitcoin ETF application, leading some to hypothesize that the business may have inside knowledge of the SEC's upcoming BTC ETF regulations. Wade Gunter, a partner at Wilshire Phoenix, told Cointelegraph that it's doubtful the SEC will approve a spot Bitcoin ETF in 2023 given the lack of development since the Winklevoss twins application back in 2017. Price prediction for Bitcoin. With resistance at the higher boundary of $31,000 and support at the lower boundary of $30,000, Bitcoin is still consolidated within a predetermined trading range. Leading technical indicators, such as the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and Relative Strength Index, RSI, are clearly still in the overbought region when looking at the daily period, suggesting that Bitcoin may undergo a negative correction. Strong fundamentals, however, continue to restrain Bitcoin's downward momentum. Technically, Bitcoin continues to face significant resistance at about the $31,000 level. If Bitcoin is able to surpass this barrier, the next aim will likely be $32,500, and if it is not reached, a third target of $34,000 may be set. The 38.2% Fibonacci correction level of $28,700 or the 50% correction level of $28,000 might be reached if Bitcoin declines below the support level of $30,000. On the other hand, around the $28,000 mark, the 50-day exponential moving average may considerably impede Bitcoin's downward trend. In conclusion, the approach is to hold off on making any substantial trading choices until Bitcoin breaks out of the constrained range outlined above.